Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl GOLDYNAPS, and today I'm gonna be taking y'all through like my Sunday refresh routine. I've had like an exceptionally productive week, and so my house is in shambles. Like, it's a hot mess and I need to get it together because just having a clean home, a clean space, especially working from home, just makes me feel better about the rest of the week. So I really need to get it together. I don't know if anybody else is like this, but I feel like when I'm at like a low, like my house is really clean because I like to clean. I like my space to be clean. But when I'm like really like on top of my ish and focused and being productive, like I don't have time to be cleaning. I got things to do, you know? But we're gonna get it together today. It just kind of sucks that when I'm like sad and not trying to do anything, like my house looks good. But anywho. So I like to start my cleaning process in the kitchen, just putting any dirty dishes in the dishwasher and cleaning off pots and pans by hand. The kitchen always tends to be one of the messiest parts of my house when I have a productive week, and dirty dishes can smell pretty bad, so I just like to get that out of the way before moving on to the rest of the house. Alright, so the kitchen has been cleaned up, doesn't smell like butt anymore, which is always a great thing. So now it's time to move on to the living room. Cleaning up the living room always starts with picking up loose toys because he puts them everywhere. Then I like to go ahead and put blankets and pillows back in their place before moving on to vacuuming. That includes the floor and all of the furniture because Lou sheds quite a lot. Then I move on to dusting off all surfaces and fans. I tend to have pretty bad allergies, so being thorough with the dusting process really helps with that. And the last part of cleaning the living room, and my favorite part, is always lighting a candle. Hey guys, it's me checking in. The living and dining area have been completed. My boyfriend is working on the bedroom and the master bathroom, and now I have to do my office, which is probably the biggest job of all. Before moving on to the office, I just went ahead and put the sheets in the wash just to get that process started. My office always tends to be, and especially when I have a productive week, a hot mess. Cleaning it up usually entails throwing out trash, putting away makeup and clothes, organizing unopened PR, organizing my equipment, and then doing the typical, you know, dusting, sweeping, etc.
Lulu, wanna come say hello? Say hello, baby.
No, you being camera shy now? Okay, thank you. But just finished cleaning my office. It looks good. It's clean. We love that. The last thing I have to do is really just mop and then do my grocery shopping. Hey y'all, it's me again checking in. It's actually the next day because yesterday when I was gonna go do my grocery shopping, I peeped that there was like a nail in my tire. So I was like, maybe let me not drive to the grocery store. So now I'm gonna take my little car to Toyota and get that fixed. And then Whole Foods is right over there, so we're gonna be bougie today. Beyond regular circumstances, the grocery shopping and the cleaning would all happen on the same day. But since we're having car trouble, it's a little separated, you know what I'm saying? When I get home from the grocery store, I go ahead and go through the fridge to get rid of anything that might have expired or wilted. I then go ahead and put away everything that I bought and organize recyclable bags and put them away in the cabinet. When I'm done with all my chores, I go ahead and relax and probably have a glass of the wine that I just bought. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff if you have not already, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!